from me! No! No! Help!
The Stickman animation is one of the easiest and most flexible content styles on YouTube right now. And the best part of it is that they can work across different niches like comedy, finance, motivation, education, storytelling, and even self-improvement. Meeting me for the first time, hi, I am your YouTube big sister. And on this channel, I teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation and YouTube automation. So do well to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you do not miss out whenever a new video is dropped. So guys, without further ado, let's dive in straight into the class. So guys, there are 5 major steps involved in the creation of Stickman animation, and number 3 is my favorite. Number 3 is the most important one. So do well to stick or stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be breaking it down step by step. I'm going to be explaining it in ways that you can understand. So do well to stay to the end of this video because you'll be doing yourself a great good. So guys, the first step before you start creating your Stickman is to choose your niche. Yes, you have to sit down and think of the niche you want to go into. You cannot post about comedy today and the next day you're talking about finance and the next day you're talking about motivation. No, that is not how it works. If you are going into Stickman animations, you should pick out a niche and stick to it. If your channel is known for finance, then stick with it. If your channel is known for motivation, stick with it. If your channel is known for education, then stick with it. This is how it works. For the second step, we need a script. Yes, and we need an idea too. So for us to generate that, we have to head over to ChatGPT. Already I have a prompt I want it to refine for me, right? So I'll paste it here and instruct it on what to do. So guys, here is the prompt I gave ChatGPT. I told it that you are a professional cinematic Stickman style animator. I want you to generate a well-detailed script on I will describe my idea soon, right? I want you to make it detailed, sound raw, human, and engaging. Remember, ChatGPT most of the times sound robotic, so make sure you prompt it to sound like human. Make it sound raw and engaging. Make sure you put in these instructions, right? So for my idea, I've put in my idea. I told ChatGPT that I wanted to generate a well-detailed script on your life as a 9 to 5 worker. This my video is categorized under the finance niche. So I'll just simply click on this arrow and allow ChatGPT give me my script. Alright, so guys, our script is ready. Our script is ready. As you can see, this is so nice. It followed our prompt. It's a very long one, right? This is it. This is it, guys. So guys, having gotten our scripts, the next step is to generate our image prompts. We need to tell ChatGPT that we need an image prompt that will give us that we can use to generate our images, right? So this was what I did ChatGPT. I told it to give me a 3D image prompt in Stickman animation style. Please pay close attention. I told it to make it well detailed. I also told it to include the visuals, camera angles, and facial expressions, right? So I'll be dropping the prompts I used for this particular video. I'll be dropping it in the Telegram community. If you haven't joined that community, do well to click on the link in the description box. That is where you can access all these prompts I used and the ones I've been using in the previous videos. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has given me the image prompts. Right? So to generate it, we have to copy this particular prompt, copy it, then we will now head over to Google Gemini. For this tutorial, the app we'll be using to generate our image is what? Google Gemini. You can access it through your Chrome browser or you can download it through your Play Store or your Apple Store. So when you get to this place, you will see this is what the interface looks like, right? You just paste this prompt you copied from ChatGPT and you just put here generate a right? Then you now click on this arrow and let us see what Google Gemini would give us. So normally it doesn't take time to generate images. So let's wait for it to generate our image. So guys, as you can see, our images have been generated and they were generated in what? Stickman animation. This is the image 1. This is image 2. Yeah, this is image 2. This is image 3. What I just did was to go to ChatGPT, copy my image prompt and paste it, and Google Gemini will give me my Stickman animation image. So for you to save it, I have to click, for me to save it, I have to click on it, long press on it and click on save, and my images will be saved into my device. So you can follow this process. It is quiet, easy. Everything lies on your prompt. If you can get your prompt right, you are good to go. Other things will be easy for you. So this is it. Let's move over to the next step. So guys, the AI and business class will be starting on the 20th of May 2026. And yes, I'm excited because this class is coming with a lot of packages. It is one thing to learn about AI, it's another thing to know how to monetize it. All this will be taught in this class, and believe me, this is value packed. Yeah, it is value packed, and registration is still ongoing. If you're interested, do well to click on the link in the description box so you can register and join us. Remember, the class will be starting on the 20th of May 2026. So guys, having gotten our images, the next step is to generate our voiceover. For this process, there are two steps involved. You can either choose to make your stickman to talk, or you can put a voiceover over your images. What do I mean? You can actually make your stickman to talk with any video generator of your choice, or you can just make it to be static. By being static, I mean just add a voiceover over it. It will not be moving, but but the voice should be in the background, right? For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of the voiceover method. Yes, I'm going to make use of the voiceover method. So I'll head over to ChatGPT. Remember that script ChatGPT gave me at the beginning of this tutorial? We have to go and copy that script, then head over to our voiceover app or website where we can generate our voiceover. Okay, so here it is. What we have to do is to copy this particular text. That's copy our script and head over to our Chrome browser. For the purpose of this tutorial, the app or the website we'll be using to generate our voice is called what? Google Studio, right? Google Studios. Google Studio is a website that can help you generate your voiceover for free. You don't need to pay for 11 Labs or any voice generator. You can use Google AI Studio and the voice sounds so realistic. So you come over to your Chrome browser and type Google AI Studio. Then you click on generate speech. Follow me closely. You click on generate speech. This is what the interface looks like. You will see these options: the everyday assistant, the energetic co-host, the add voiceover, the game show host, the guarded NPC, the master storyteller, the training guide, and the patient teacher. I want you to choose the add voiceover. Click on it, right? So when you click on it, please let me take you to this place. You will see different voices. Can you see it? There are different voices here. If you want high pitch, it is here. If you want middle pitch, it is here. If you want strong voice or maybe bass, it is here. So any one of your choice. There are different voices here. But for me, I love using male voice and I love using Charon because Charon is neither low nor high. It's just there. You get, so I love Charon a lot. So I'll just click on Charon and it will reflect here, right? So what I will do is this is the said sample content. I will just change it, edit it to, I'll remove this one, then I'll edit it to this. Read aloud in a warm and reflective tone. This is the tone I want Sharon to read my script with, right? So what I will do is to remove this particular thing that is already here. Then I'll now paste that my prompt I copied from ChatGPT. Are you seeing it? I'll paste that my prompt and it has already pasted. Can you see it? Then I'll now click on, you go down, I'll now click on run CTRL and it will start generating my voice. So guys, our voiceover is ready. Let me play it for you guys to hear.
Every morning feels the same. The alarm rings, you open your eyes, but your body still feels tired from yesterday. You check the time. 6 a.m. Not because you want to wake up, because you have to. You stare at the ceiling for a few seconds, trying to gather enough energy to survive another day you don't even enjoy anymore. But bills don't care about your feelings, so you get up anyway. Morning routine. You brush your teeth half asleep.
Okay guys, can you see that? It sounds so realistic. If you have not been making use of this app, guys, you're sleeping, wake up. So for me to download it, you see this download icon here, I'll just click on it and download my voice, and voila, my voice will be downloaded into my device. So this is how I'll continue until my voiceover is ready. Remember, I sectioned it, right? So what you have to do, you section it bit by bit, right? Let's say I've generated this first one, the first one I copied, right? Then I'll head over to this particular place and copy it. See what I'm doing? Oh, copy it to this place. Yes, then go over to Google AI Studio. Then remove this first one I generated, right? Remove all of them. Then I'll now paste this new one I copied from ChatGPT and click on run CTRL, and Google AI Studio will generate my second script for me. So guys, now that we have generated our images and our voiceover, the next step is to edit everything together. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be making use of InShot. Yeah, InShot is an editing tool you can use to edit your video. Feel free to use CapCut or any video tool of your choice. Or any editing tool of your choice. So what we are going to do is import the images and also import our audio. Remember, this is for YouTube, right? So we have to change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Remember, and for this Google Gemini logo showing here, the watermark, we have to remove it. So what you have to do is to bring this down and you zoom this. You see what I did? Make sure that the watermark is not showing, because most times YouTube will flag you if they see this particular thing. Make sure that the watermark is not showing. You see what I'm doing? This is how to do it. This is how to do it. Yeah, this is how to do it. Then for the next slide, the same thing. Bring it down, then zoom it to cover. So now that we are done with our sizing, we have to import our audio. We need to add animations and things that can make our video to be very, very good. Just play around with your editing. Play around with it. Just play around. You can color grade if you want. This is tutorial, so I don't want it to be very long. So I'll play the final result for you guys once I'm done. So guys, our video is what's ready. Let me play it for you guys.
Every morning feels the same. The alarm rings, you open your eyes, but your body still feels tired from yesterday. You check the time. 6 a.m. Not because you want to wake up, because you have to. You stare at the ceiling for a few seconds, trying to gather enough energy to survive another day you don't even enjoy anymore. But bills don't care about your feelings, so you get up anyway. Morning routine. You brush your teeth half asleep. Take a bath. Wear the same clothes.
Alright, so guys, I don't want this tutorial to be very long. It's long already, right? So what we have to do is to click on this insert watermark and watch an ad so that when we save this video, the watermark won't be there. I know why I'm hammering on watermark. Make sure you remove watermarks before you save your video or before you post any image. So this is it. You now click on export and allow our video to be exported into our device. So guys, if you have watched up to this point, do well to like this video and also subscribe to this channel because massive value awaits you, and do well to turn on your notification bell so that you will get notified whenever a new video is being dropped. Also, I am available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box. All the prompts I used in this particular video will be displayed in my Telegram community, so do well to join by clicking the link in the description box so you can access all my prompts. And also do well to comment on the next video you want to see on this channel, and I'll do my possible best to put it out next time. And until I come your way, take care and do well to practice what you have learned. Bye.